Aloha and welcome to Sharing with Slomo. We're here in the beautiful side, the windward side of the island of Oahu from the magnificent Hawaiian Islands. And once again, I'm in my yard outside of my house and I greet you and I say Shalom Aleichem, which means may the Prince of Peace bless you today. It's a beautiful Sunday here and today's date is March 5th, 2023. And we're out here shooting with my grandson who's assisting me, and he's carrying on the tradition as I was a broadcaster and I worked in television for 26 years. He now is continuing in the endeavors that I did for 26 years. And here to disturb me is our family dog, Molly. She's such a irritation sometimes, but sometimes she's a blessing, for she protects us from all people trying to enter this premise. Anyway, today I like to give you a word of encouragement, and I want you to understand that we here give forth this spirit called the Aloha spirit. Now the word alone, Aloha, can be broken up into, let's take the ending part, Ha. Ha is the breath. In Bereshit or in Genesis, it talks of how Hashem, our God, formed from the dirt or the dung of the earth, and he molded something, and his desire was to create an image similar to himself. But he took his breath, his Ha, and he breathed into the nostrils of man, and man became a living soul. In other words, what I'm trying to tell you, you're not a monkey anymore. You were created in the image of God. So you are a peculiar person. You are a royal priesthood. You are a holy nation, a chosen generation. You are very special to Hashem, our God. So you must live like it, like a child. Okay, I call myself the barefoot servant here in Hawaii name. Will you join me on my Facebook? I have a Facebook group. It's called the Barefoot Servants 2. In other words, 2 means you can join us on my Facebook page. All right? There you'll see all my comments, my updates, my upcoming events. So I encourage you to go to Facebook, look me up. My legal name is Mark Miyashiro. There are 5 Mark Miyashiros on this island. I don't know how you're going to distinguish the 5 of us, but I'm 68 years old, soon to be 69. Today is still Sunday, March 5th, 2023. And I'm reaching out to you that you will continue to watch this channel, Sharing with Slomo. And maybe I'll contact you on my Facebook page in that group called the Barefoot Servants. And there you can place your comments or questions that you have. Hopefully you can obtain my email, and if necessary, my phone number. Don't call me because probably you live outside of Hawaii, so maybe text me because I don't know what your time zone is. You might be throughout the whole world. But once again, this is the Okinawan Jew, soon to be the only Okinawan rabbi in the world. I have never met another Okinawan Jew. There are no synagogues in Okinawa, therefore no need for Okinawan rabbi. I love you guys. You are precious to me. Once again, ahui ho and malama pono. Embrace righteousness. Aloha.